right, Day of the Desert live at the top of the tram, and it is beautiful here in March. You know, you can get up here pretty easily from the desert floor, and it's a whole different topography. As you can see, still snow in March. And DOD, just a quick report on my life. And yeah, still doing the YouTube show. Again, hard to keep it up, the motivation, but I'll keep reporting and having some fun with my YouTube show, Day of the Desert. Thank you guys for watching, and a little glimpse of the San Jacinto Mountains. And you can see there's some people there. Quite beautiful.